Hello everyone, I am Bhargavardi. I completed my internship in Shares Info Solutions Private Limited, and now I am really very happy to say that I got placed in a reputed company, SCL Technologies in Chennai.
I'm Teenmuri. I completed my intern in SIAS Info Solution. Now I got placed in HCL. Myself Navya. I have done intern in SIAS Info Solution. With the help of that, I got more knowledge about .NET platform. So I got placed in HCL as a software developer.
Myself Vajra Srinivasan. I have done my internship program in Shares Info Solutions Private Limited. Since I was from mechanical stream, I don't have much knowledge about programming, skill programming and other related things. They have trained me in that, and now I have got my job in Laserbeam Software Solutions Private Limited. This is located in Chennai.
I'm Maidili. I have joined intern in this company for 2 months, and I'm very happy to join intern in this company Shares Info Solution. And I didn't plan to join in this because I'm ECE background. I'm not having any knowledge about programming, but the Shares Info Solution company, they given me the confidence to join.
Myself, I Raj Tilak. I'm coming from Madurai. I'm pursuing BE final degree in Sales Institute of Technology. I have been doing internship in Shares Info Solution for past 3 months from .NET platform. It is very useful to me, and the staffs and technical staffs are so friendly with me, and gain some more knowledge in that .NET platform. Okay.
Hi, I'm Ranjana Shri from SEBI Institute of Technology. I have been here for the past 3 months, and I chose the platform .NET, and it was very useful for me because previously entering before here, I don't know completely anything about IT, and I was new to this field. But after coming here, the training methodology, teaching everything, it was really good, and it just gave me a confidence, and I gained more confidence after coming here so that I can work with .NET platform. So it was very useful for me. Thank you.
I'm coming from Madurai. Pursuing final year at Shares Institute of Technology, ECE stream. I came for my internship for 3 months in SIAS Info Solution. I learned many things about .NET process, .NET platform. Before that, I didn't know anything about that. Now I know what process is going in IT, and I can manage myself in IT.
Myself, I'm Sridevi, and I have done my intern in SIAS for 2 months in .NET platform. And that was a place where I gained a lot of knowledge, and which was very hopeful to my career. And I have attended a lot of interviews. It was in SIAS, they also taught what's the type of aptitudes and coding as well as debugging. That helped me a lot.
I'm Anita. I have completed internship in SIAS Info Solution. As I am coming from CSE background, I have not much knowledge in programming language. After I joined here, more knowledge in .NET, and then I got a job in TCS. After joining here only, I got a job in TCS.
Myself, Annie Cristobal. I have completed my 2-month intern in Shares Info Solution. It gave me so much of skills, knowledge, and made me comfort to join my career better. Now I'm happy to be an employee in Shares Info Solution.
And I want to thank to SIAS Info Solution. Whatever they teach me, it was very useful to me.
Happy that I may be a part of SIAS, and SIAS is a great place to gain lots of knowledge where you can improve yourself.
Thanks for providing me this opportunity, and I would like to thank the Shares Info Solutions at this moment.
So I'm very thankful to SIAS Info Solution for giving me this opportunity.
Shares company is a very good company, and I have learned a lot of things in this company. Even if you also like to join me, so I am sure that everyone got placed in this company if you done the internship. Thank you.
I have learned new things in SIAS Info Solution. I completed .NET platform here, which made me to help to get placed in HCL. So I'm very thankful to this organization to take my future to the another level.